All right, guys, we are back with this Ford Raptor. There's your damage. See, the whole body line is destroyed. So I'm gonna grind the paint off of all of this so I can get my stud welder dent puller and pull all the dents out, and then I'll bring you back. All right, I'm about to blow in some paint on this. Bodyworks looks good, nice and straight. Got her all scuffed up with the gray Scotch-Brite. And so I'm gonna do a blend at the bottom of the door, up a little bit, and then I'm gonna re-clear coat the whole door. I am gonna use my R500. I do already have the paint mixed up. So as before, looks good. Perfection is not reality, but it looks pretty damn good. All right, I'll bring you back whenever I got some base on this thing. All right, this Raptor's all done. This aluminum door was such a pain in the butt. I got the paint pulled back from all the major areas, and I'm gonna leave it for a couple days. I'll be back on Friday. Looks pretty good to me, especially compared to how it was, and that aluminum is all stretched out. I pushed the dents out from the back because I couldn't use my welding dent puller. So I got in there, took the panel off, I got in there and pushed them out as best I could. Tried to hammer and dolly. I only use aluminum on aluminum, so you don't want to cross-contaminate your metals and all the things. Anyway, that's all fancy talk, painter fancy talk, but she looks great, and I'm positive my client is going to be ecstatic. So I will do another portion of this video, the grand finale, I guess whenever I get it demasked in a couple of days. So I'll bring you guys back when I got more to show you. All right, grand finale. The rear door looks great. We're ready to go home, but he's got some other parts he wants me to install, so gotta wait for delivery on those, and then be good to go. Call me if you need some paint work done, 813-846-4406, and have a wonderful day.